Hi everyone, I'm RMAIA. Welcome back to the TSI Classes channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for everyone, no matter your age or background, and that's finance. If you've ever wondered how to manage your money better, save for the future, or grow your wealth, this video is for you. And don't worry, I'll explain everything in simple terms with relatable examples. Ready? Let's go! First off, what is finance? Simply put, finance is all about managing money, earning, saving, spending, and investing it wisely. Think of it like this. Finance is your roadmap to financial freedom. And why does it matter? Because whether you're buying groceries, paying bills, or planning for retirement, smart financial decisions shape your life. Imagine you're on a road trip. Without a map or GPS, you'd probably get lost. Finance is like that map. It helps you reach your destination, whether that's buying a house, starting a business, or retiring comfortably. Now let's talk about the three key pillars of personal finance: earning, saving, and investing. This is the money you make, whether it's from a job, business, or side hustle. Think of earning as the fuel for your financial journey. The more you earn, the further you can go. For instance, if you're earning $1,000 a month and your expenses are $900, you've only got $100 left to save or invest. But if you start a side hustle and earn an extra $500, suddenly you've got more options. Saving is setting aside money for future needs. It's like building a safety net. Experts recommend saving at least 20% of your income. Say your phone breaks unexpectedly. If you've saved up, you can replace it without stress. But if you haven't, you might have to borrow or sacrifice other essentials. Investing is using your money to make more money. It's like planting a tree. At first it's small, but over time it grows and bears fruit. Imagine you invest $1,000 in the stock market with an annual return of 10%. After 1 year, you'd have $1,100. In 10 years, thanks to compound interest, that $1,000 could grow to $2,593. Okay, now that we've covered the basics, let's get practical. Here are some actionable tips to manage your money wisely. Track your income and expenses using apps like Mint or YNAB. Allocate your money using the 50/30/20 rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. If you earn $2,000 a month, $1,000 goes to needs like rent and groceries, $600 for wants like dining out, and $400 for savings. Save 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses for emergencies like medical bills or job loss. If your monthly expenses are $1,500, aim to save $4,500 to $9,000 in an emergency fund. Credit card debt or payday loans can trap you in a cycle of high-interest payments. Only borrow for things that increase in value, like education or a home. Instead of splurging on a $1,000 vacation using a credit card with 20% interest, save up and pay cash. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Look into mutual funds, index funds, or even SIPs, which are systematic investment plans. If you invest $100 monthly starting at age 25, you could have $500,000 by age 65. If you wait until 35, you'd only have $200,000. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some common financial mistakes and how to avoid them. Avoid spending more than you earn. It leads to debt and financial stress. If you're earning $2,000 but spending $2,500, you're digging a financial hole every month. Start saving for retirement as early as possible. Even small amounts add up over time. Skipping retirement savings in your 20s could mean working well into your 70s. Pause before making big purchases. Ask yourself, do I really need this? That $200 designer bag might be tempting, but does it fit into your budget? That's it for today, folks. Finance doesn't have to be complicated. With a little planning and discipline, you can achieve your financial goals and live the life you've always dreamed of. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay smart, stay savvy, and take charge of your finances. Bye.